T-Mobile SIM locking is a security measure that prevents unauthorized access to your SIM card or eSIM profile. It's designed to protect your account from potential threats. SIM locking gets triggered by several common situations that might indicate security risks. T-Mobile's security protocols work by implementing multiple layers of verification to ensure only authorized users can access or modify SIM settings. The difference between physical SIM cards and eSIM profiles affects how locking works, with eSIMs offering more flexibility and fewer issues. Understanding these causes and security measures helps you take the first step toward resolving SIM locking issues and protecting your account. Entering the wrong PIN multiple times will lock your SIM card. This security feature prevents unauthorized access to your device. To unlock your SIM, you need a PUC code. This is an 8-digit personal unblocking key provided by T-Mobile. You can find your PUC code through your T-Mobile account or by contacting customer support. T-Mobile's mobile app features an AI-driven SIM unlock assistant that can reset your PIN in minutes. This is often the fastest way to resolve a SIM lock, allowing users to reset PINs autonomously and reducing average resolution time. First, open the T-Mobile app on your device and navigate to the SIM unlock section. Next, select the SIM unlock assistant from the menu. The AI will guide you through the process. Finally, complete facial recognition verification. The app will scan your face to confirm your identity, then reset your PIN automatically. This self-service method through the app is fast and secure, resolving SIM locks in minutes without needing to contact support. If the T-Mobile app doesn't resolve your SIM lock issue, you can contact customer support directly. When contacting support, be prepared to verify your identity. You'll need your account details, such as your phone number and account PIN. You'll also need your device's IMEI number, a unique identifier for your phone. This helps confirm ownership. In some cases, you may need to provide a government-issued ID for additional verification to comply with security protocols. Once verified, a support agent will guide you through the SIM unlocking process step by step. This process ensures your SIM is unlocked securely and efficiently. eSIMs, or embedded SIMs, differ from physical SIM cards in key ways. Physical SIM cards are removable plastic chips that you insert into your phone. They can be lost, damaged, or stolen, leading to more lock issues. eSIMs are built directly into your device and work wirelessly. eSIMs are less prone to locking than physical SIM cards because they're updated over the air. This means T-Mobile can fix issues remotely without you needing to replace anything. Physical SIMs require manual handling, which increases the chance of problems. If your device supports eSIM, consider switching to reduce the risk of future SIM locks. Here's how to do it. First, check device compatibility. Then contact T-Mobile support or use their app. Scan a QR code or enter details and complete the setup over the air. This cloud-based activation is simpler than physical SIM methods. To prevent future SIM locks, start by enabling app-based alerts in your T-Mobile app. These notifications warn you about unusual activity on your account, such as unexpected SIM changes or suspicious login attempts. Next, be cautious when entering your SIM PIN. Entering the wrong PIN multiple times can lock your SIM card. Make sure you know your PIN and enter it accurately to avoid unnecessary locks. Finally, protect yourself from SIM swap scams by avoiding suspicious links and requests. Scammers may try to trick you into revealing account details through phishing emails or calls. Always verify communications directly through official T-Mobile channels. By enabling alerts, being careful with PIN entry, and avoiding scam attempts, you can greatly reduce the chances of experiencing SIM lock issues in the future. A SIM swap scam involves someone fraudulently activating a SIM card using your phone number. This can lead to unauthorized access to your accounts, allowing scammers to take control of your banking, email, and other services. T-Mobile has enhanced authentication protocols, including mandatory two-factor verification for SIM changes to combat this threat. Be aware of phishing attempts, where scammers try to trick you into providing personal information through fake emails or messages. To protect yourself, avoid sharing personal information, verify any requests for your details, and use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. The trend is moving towards fully automated systems, and the elimination of physical SIM cards. AI-driven unlocks are becoming industry standard, allowing faster and more secure resolution of SIM issues. eSIM adoption is increasing rapidly, with global market growth projected to reach billions in the coming years. While challenges remain, such as interoperability with international roaming, the future looks promising. The future looks promising for more secure and user-friendly SIM management.